One more time. X-Wing is ready. It's gonna attack you. Ready, go! What's that? It looks like the X-Wing is going to attack the mighty Imperial Catwalker. The X-Wing crashes and burns in a futile attempt to combat the mighty Imperial power. Apparently the Imperials have built a shield over which the X-Wing cannot penetrate. It looks like the shield generators are still up. Boom! Direct hit. The Imperial forces are unfazed by the attack. Okay, it's time to call in Deus Ex Machina. Pew! 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 Dun! Dun! Do 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 do. Choo! 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 Ah! The mighty Imperial force tries to escape the onslaught of the X-Wing fighter. Choom! 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 Ah, the Imperials have made their retreat.